guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kaylee. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I just picked up the new Morphe. This is the 9C. This is the Jewel Crew palette. It's not on Morphe's website. You can only get this at Ulta, but this is a $12 eyeshadow palette. It has some really gorgeous colors in here. I wanted to pick it up mainly for this like purpley shade right here, but honestly, it has so many gorgeous colors in here. Some warm tones, some cool tones. You got these fun like purpley shades. You got some brown shades, a little taste of everything in this palette, and it is only $12, so I wanted to pick this up and do a little review on this palette for you guys if you're interested in picking up one of these little Morphe minis. Ulta does have this palette in 2 other colors, so if you're not particularly interested in these colors, but you do want to pick up a new little palette, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you click that link right down below. Go ahead and subscribe before you leave, and if you'd like to see how to do this beautiful eye look right here, then please keep watching, and let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So I'm gonna try to use as many colors as possible. I really hate when I'm watching people do reviews of palettes and they literally use like 2 or maybe 3 colors. So I'm really gonna try my best to use like a lot of these colors. So we're gonna start off with the color here. This is Stone Fox. And we're just gonna put this right into the crease and work it upward. So I'm literally tapping into it, clicking it off, and slowly developing that color. Like I said, most of the color we're taking it into the crease and then we're just kind of working it upwards. Next we're gonna go into the color Rock Out. It's really similar in shade to the color that we just used. I think it's just slightly deeper. So we're just gonna go into that one next and place that into the crease. And when I really wanna concentrate the color in my crease, I always take it just with a little bit of product. I kind of place it right in my crease and then I don't quite close my eye all the way. I kind of leave it open halfway. It's also just a little bit easier to find your crease that way and just help you define it out. All right, now let's go ahead and deepen up the crease even a little bit more. We're gonna go into the color Chocolate Diamond, and we're gonna do that same eye slightly open method, placing this right in the crease. And we're gonna kind of concentrate this more on the outer corner, bring it less into the inner corner than we did with the first 2 shades. Now that we've got those all kind of nice and blended, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more of the first shade, Stone Fox, and we're just gonna kind of go back in and lightly blend all of those shades together. And then while we're still into Stone Fox, we're just gonna take that on the lower lash line a little bit. Okay, so far I think all these colors are blending out really nicely, really pigmented, super blendable. I like the palette so far. Now let's go ahead and go into that really fun Purple Rain, and we're just gonna do it with a dry brush to start, and we might end up wetting it here in a second. But I'm just gonna start this on the outer corner of the eye. Really pretty. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the inner corner. It's not as pigmented as I wanted, so I am gonna go ahead and dampen my brush, and then we'll see if we can get it a little bit more vibrant. I'm just gonna use my ColourPop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray. There, that's much better. I think that's really pretty. When you wet it, it also gets like more of a silvery kind of look to it. Like it's already kind of a silvery purple, but it just really amps up the kind of silver in the purple. It's really pretty. So I don't know if you can see the difference, but I just did this eye with my completely wet brush. There's like literally one little tiny speck of fallout versus this side we've got a little bit. This is when I used the purple shade dry and I used it wet over here, so there's no fallout if you use it wet. Now we are going to pick up this Rose Quartz color right here, and we're gonna take that all over this remaining part of our lid. Really pretty, kind of give like a little bit of an ombre look to it. So now let's go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. So we're gonna go in with the color Rich Girl right here, and we're just gonna kind of smoke that right on top of that orangey shade. Okay, I love this purple shade on the lower lash line. It's so pretty. We're gonna go in with this gold shade, and we're gonna put that in the center. This is such a pretty, like, true gold shade. I really, really like it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in. I'll just carry it in towards the inner corner. Then let's go ahead and take a little bit of this color here. This is the color Flex. We'll just take that on this remaining section of the lower lash line. Okay, I think that looks really pretty. All right guys, I think that does complete this eye look. So we did use every color except this center shade. I liked how the palette performed. I thought it was really good, and I think this eye look came out really cute. So let's go ahead and finish up with some mascara. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and then we will pop on some lashes. Today I'm gonna use the Ardell Studio Effect Wispies. Isn't this look just so casual and like everyday? I mean, it goes perfect with my t-shirt and fuzzy jacket, right? So what do you guys think of this palette? Is this something that you're interested in? I honestly really love the colors. I thought this look is really fun and came out super cool. I think this is a great little palette with a wide range of colors. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and tutorial. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you click that link right down below. Go ahead and subscribe before you leave. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you in my next video.